Welcome back. It's been ages and ages since I did a car review. Here we go. So this is Dunnes Stores Simply Better hand-cooked, crunkly cut sweet chili and red pepper. Dunnes Stores is obviously an Irish supermarket, if you're not aware. To my non-Irish viewers, which is probably none. So it is 125 grams. Forgot how much I paid for it. Probably €2. Somewhere around there. Oh my god. That's not even half a bag. A third? So, now, they look fairly decent. Let's see, can I pick out a decent looking one? So, where's the camera? Camera's up, over here. Way wrong. So, yeah. I'm not expecting a whole lot from them. There's a nice kick from them. Okay, bit of gun floor. Yeah, decent bit of a kick to them. Nice little bit of sweetness. Simple. Yeah. Bit of a... I would have left the sweetness out of it. I would have just put straight chili. There's kind of a vinegar, I guess that's a sweetness, kind of a tanginess to it at the end. Yeah, they're okay. I wouldn't go back to them. They're not personally for me, but they're nice. If you've tried them before, put in the comments. You didn't try them, put a comment saying I'm going to eat it. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.